This OXO Good Grips 11 inches frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a non-stick coating made in Germany. This helps food slide off easily. You can cook an omelet without it sticking. The pan also comes with a lid. This helps trap heat and moisture. The handle of the OXO Good Grips 11 inches frying pan is made of stainless steel. It has a silicone grip. This makes it comfortable and safe to hold. You won't have to worry about it slipping. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This is because of its design. It's a reliable pan for everyday cooking. Overall, the OXO Good Grips 11 inches frying pan is a good choice. It's easy to use and clean. The non-stick surface works well. The handle is comfortable. It's a durable pan that should last if you need a new frying pan. Consider this one. It could be a great update for your cookware. Pros: effortless cooking, less oil needed, easy cleanup, scratch-resistant body, even heating. Comfortable handle, non-slip silicone grip, includes a lid, oven safe, durable build. Cons: non-stick may degrade, can't use high heat, metal utensils unsafe, coating can scratch, not as durable as steel, hand wash recommended, lid handle can get hot, price might be higher, not ideal for searing, uneven heating possible, silicone handle can stain, limited lifespan expected. Features: 11-inch size, frying pan, includes lid, non-stick 3-layered, German tech, steel handle. Silicone grip, black color, Good Grips. This OXO Good Grips 11-inch frying pan comes with a lid and has a non-stick surface made with 3 layers of German technology, which helps food not stick and makes cleaning easy. It has a black color and a strong stainless steel handle that's covered with a non-slip silicone grip, making it comfortable to hold while you cook. This OXO Good Grips 11 inches frying pan has a non-stick surface that helps food slide easily and needs less oil for cooking. It's easy to clean and made to resist scratches. Plus it heats evenly. The handle is comfortable and won't slip. It comes with a lid and can go in the oven. However, the non-stick might wear out over time. You can't use very high heat, and metal tools could scratch it. It might cost more than some other pans and isn't the best for making food very brown and crispy. Also, the pan might not always heat perfectly evenly. The handle could get stained, and it might not last as long as a steel pan. You should wash it by hand. And the lid handle can get hot.